Hello guys, welcome back. It's 11 p.m. The reason why I'm starting the video right now at night is because the room is finally ready. I don't have the curtains yet. I just ordered from Amazon and they're gonna come in the next couple of days. But I just moved all of my stuff into this room and it's very messy, but I'm really excited to... I don't think I'm going to sleep tonight. I'm going to be organizing everything. I don't work tomorrow, so it's okay if I stay up a little late. But I want to show you my bathroom looks amazing. And I'm just going to be cleaning and organizing stuff tonight. This is the bathroom. So all this stuff is like cleaning supplies that I have to clean the bathroom with. But this is what the bathroom looks like. This bathroom, I love it so much. I got this from Amazon, I know. It looks beautiful. I went to Home Goods with my friend yesterday to get a couple things for the bathroom. I got this really cute thing to put my toothbrush in. I'm gonna get an electric toothbrush, but for now, I'm gonna put my toothpaste in here just to make it look really pretty. I'm gonna put that in here. I got this tray because to put my little knickknacks and my soap. I got this under the sink organizer. And that's gonna come in handy because I have a lot of stuff. I got this really cute trash can. Hello guys, it's the next day. Last night my camera died, so I couldn't film anything. Today, I have to get some work done because it's my day off, and that means we have class, and I have to fix my computer because it's not plugged in. Look at all this stuff, it's crazy. Well, this is for my piano, so I'm gonna put that aside. But all of this is like monitor, speakers. Oh, this is a lot. Monitor's all set up. I finally have my desk set up, but I have to start planning my week. You know, I love my planner. I talked about it last vlog, and today it's gonna be a very busy day. I have lots of things to do because tomorrow I'm actually going to a concert. I'm going to see Pink Sweats and I'm so excited for that concert, but that means that I won't have time at night to work on the homeworks that I usually do. I have my main monitor and I have my MacBook, my iPad, and my planner. Today is February 13th, and this is what it usually looks like when I do homework here at home. So right now what I usually do is I'm gonna start planning, and if I have to do like any work on Excel or Python and R, I'm gonna do it here, and then on my other monitor I can watch the video just so that I don't have to split my screens. I have all of these colored pens that I got from Amazon, and they're really good. I love it. I got a set, and it makes it easier when I'm color coding everything. The next day, it's Valentine's Day, and today it's the concert. I also have to go to my niece's school because they're having like a little Valentine's party, so I have to get ready right now. Okay guys, I just took a shower, washed my hair with Redken always, and whenever I blow dry my hair I always make sure to use heat protectant, and today I'm going to be using this Redken. Let me see if I can. This is the one that I use. It's a Redken Frizz Mist. It's very lightweight, so it's perfect for me because I have very oily and it tends to get greasy really fast. So this is after washing my hair, and I just spray it on the mids to ends. To blow dry my hair, I am gonna use my Life and blow dryer, which is the Dyson dupe that I got. I have my hair brushes, and this is the baby that I'm going to be using. So this is just like a Dyson, except way cheaper, and it's great quality. I love it. It's so cute and tiny, And I also have some rollers just in case I want some volume. And sometimes I use my dry bar brush, but I think I'm just gonna do this. We'll see how I'm feeling. To do my hair, I section my hair, 2 little things, and take small, medium sections depending on how much do you think you can handle. I do this pretty often, so I'm okay taking a little bigger section. But if you're not used to this, take smaller sections. It'll just make your life so much more easier. Look at that shine. I love my hair so much. It looks so good. It's time to get ready for the concert. I'm wearing my pink shirt and this really cute colored pants, but I'm running late and I have to get ready, so let's do my makeup.
Take it slow. You make this light inside me glow.
Hello guys, I'm so excited. Today is the weekend, it's Saturday, and the concert was amazing. I forgot to film after that because I was just exhausted after work and after the concert. But today's a very exciting day because I finally bought a closet. So I decided to go to Ikea and make my own PAX system, and my room is very small, but I need this closet because I have everything everywhere and I just cannot live like that anymore. So the closet is gonna go in this wall. This is my balcony, and these are not the curtains. The curtains are also downstairs, so we're gonna be setting up everything tonight. My closet is gonna go in this wall, and then my desk, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it here or here. And my piano is either gonna go here or here. I'll figure that out. This is Christian, my brother-in-law. He's camera shy, but he's gonna help me build a closet with my dad. I'm so excited. Hello everyone, good morning. It is the next day. We finally finished building the closet and I'm really excited. It's actually in the morning and I have to go to work, but before I do that, I just wanted to show you guys real quick what it looks like. This is the PAX system. I'm gonna put both of these together eventually, but we just have to move that light over here a little bit before I do that. And then I'm gonna have a little space, some room to open the balcony door, and we're also going to put the curtains tonight. Today we're going to be organizing the closet. It's finally ready. We still have to move these things together, but Christian is going to do this later, and he's also going to put up the curtains today. But what I really want to tackle before I start homework and working on school is my clothes, just because it's just so messy. I cannot concentrate. There's stuff everywhere and everything has to have a place. So I took a break from organizing the clothes. I have 3 drawers filled up, and actually 4, and I need to take a break because I have to start schoolwork. I have a lot going on this week, so I'm gonna try to focus for the next 2 hours, and then we're gonna go back to taking a little break to fix this problem in the bed. But the other issue that I have is all my hangers are in the storage unit, and I only have a few, so I might have to get more because my sweatshirts and all that stuff, they were not hung up in the old house, but I want to hang them up because I have more space, and that way it'll be more organized and I can actually see what I own and what I, you know, don't use. But in the meantime, I'm not really hungry for lunch. I ate I ate breakfast a little late, so we're just gonna plan, which I love doing this every week, and then let's get started and prepare for midterms. It's so much later. It's 7 p.m. and I've just been doing homework. I already ate dinner and I got a package from Amazon. So I got this really cool iPad. I got this iPad stand and I like that it's so slim. And I also got a stand for my computer. This is what it looks like. I like that it rotates. Okay guys, I finally put everything in the closet. There's no more mess in my bed. That is just my PJs that I'm gonna wear tonight. All of the clothes has a place. Everything looks so nice. Everything is color coordinated. My jeans are laid out. I can finally see them. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good night, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye.